What should you do right now to prepare for the upcoming recession and or real estate crash that is definitely on its way? It's coming. Real estate has been going up and up and up and up, and soon it's probably going to go down and down and down and down. A lot of people have made a lot of money, and we're way overdue for a recession. So if you're new to the channel, we talk about wholesaling, we talk about tax lien and deed investing, and all sorts of creative real estate tips. So in order to bring you today's video, we figured since it's on the recession, we'd walk down a back alley, which is definitely not sketchy where we are. But so let's talk about that. No matter what, real estate is going to go up and down. The economy is going to go through recessions, and a lot of people are going to get wiped out. So now is the time to really prepare, and I'll tell you what we're doing to get ready and how maybe you could do the same. So here's what's happening. Right now, real estate is, it's peaking in many different places, and there's going to be a drop coming. So what we're doing right now is we're actually trying to wholesale as many deals as possible to try to build up some cash reserves and line up a lot of investors through our networking so that when the recession does hit and prices start falling, we're basically ready with a dump truck to start picking up properties. And we're going to do that probably multiple ways. We're going to hit up a lot of tax deed sales because as the recession hits, the opportunity at tax lien deed sales goes up. And so we're doing a lot of heavy wholesaling, fixing and flipping right now. And we're definitely counting on that when the market shifts in different areas for the tax deed sale wise, a lot of inventory to go up. And here's the thing, right? Is no matter how much the recession is going to kick in and drop prices, you probably won't see more than a 10 or 20% drop depending on where you are. So if we're able to go to the tax deed sale and buy these things 60, 70% off market value and then go and sell them and double our money, that is definitely a big part of our plans. So when it comes to yourself, what you can do right now to be preparing for this recession is be learning how to wholesale, be studying tax liens and deeds, and learning exactly how tax liens and deeds work. And there's actually a guy hitting a hammer, so I'm going to consult with the cameraman. Should we walk past the camera? What if we just walk back?
Let's do back.
Right? These videos, here's the thing, if you're going to make a YouTube video, you are officially not a successful YouTuber if you have to do multiple cuts in your video.
That's right.
It's amateur if they have to cut, and I'm just kidding. They call it a one-take jig, so. Where do we leave off?
Recession.
See, we could cut this right now, but we won't. Okay, recession kicking in.
Yeah. You're buying tax sales, 7%.
Yeah, so have a strategy on this, and plan it out right now. Plant the seeds so that when this recession does kick in, Corey's gonna bump into a car. This stuff is.
Thanks for telling me.
This stuff is raw footage, right? It's fitting. We wanted to kind of set the mood. Actually, we could go in there and do a little dark scene.
Let's do it.
So you don't want to be caught in the dark, as we're going to show right now in this dark and scary area. So when the recession comes, the light closes in on a lot of people, you need to be in a position to where you can take advantage of that. And a lot of people are going to make a lot of money in this next recession, and a lot of people are going to go bust. And make sure, what am I standing on?
It's like a trap door.
I
was just picturing you falling through it.
So was I, actually. All right, so here's your steps. If you haven't started, you need to start. Don't wait or put it off. You need to start now. If you're watching this and you haven't done a deal, Go buy a tax lien certificate today and you can call yourself a real estate investor. The other thing for wholesaling, start doing that now. Start understanding the market so that you're able to analyze deals, analyze properties, and get your feet wet in this stuff. What I love about real estate is, let's walk out of the thing now, into the light. So what I love about real estate is when you compare how much money you can make in real estate investing to being like a doctor or a lawyer or anybody that has spent, 50 to 100K on their education, put in a couple hours a day to learning this stuff, and in a year, I can guarantee you can be making 10 to 30K a month doing real estate investing. Unfortunately, there's this paradigm with YouTube and real estate and the internet and all of these clickbaity things where people think that if they don't get the deal or make 100 grand in the first month, that they're not doing it right or that it doesn't work. But think of anything in your life you've ever gotten good at. It's taken you a lot of time, a lot of effort. And what's great about real estate is it doesn't take that long to get good at it. You just need to stick with it, overcome that fear of making a mistake, and take action. And speaking of taking action, if you want to get started with real estate, Corey can do a nice panoramic.
Ford.
By Ford.
By Ford. Sponsored by Ford. So we have this sweet cheat sheet that you can download. It's the 0 to 100K wholesale blueprint. It walks you through all of the steps that you need to take to go from where you are, like from 0 to 100K.
Very clear. Yeah.
It's very clear, actually. I've also made a video that goes along with it, so you can check that out. It has all of our resources that we use, and then I also go through step by step in the video showing you how to get started with it, and exactly what you need to do in order to make this work. I outline all of the steps throughout the video, the websites, and you can literally take this and get started today. There's a link below. Check it out. Make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and tell us something in the comments if you have any questions. Birds flying overhead, and have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.
By Ford F-150. Tough. Yeah.